Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by Raymond.
Oh, last Tibo.
Njani Mtata?
Shabu njani bro.
Ngiyaphila baba.
Mamela Tibo.
Talk.
Ngiyathetha ngitalk.
Oh, thetha mhlekazi.
Mamela Tibo. Yazi ngenze imistake. Mina I don't have to prepare xa ngaba ndizapha ne.
Yes.
Mina analyze ndilandeli. I do analyst.
Yeah,
ndingumlandeli support.
Understand.
Mamela ke Tibo. Ngenze imistake bro wami yazi. Yeah. Ndithathe umfazi usupport Pirates.
Okay.
Of which is wrong.
Why?
Akakwazi unyamezela man. Yabona ngoku lo ndimthathe ngoku.
Yes.
Support Chiefs.
Yeah.
Uyanyamezela. Serious man. Serious, I'm not joking. Yabona xa ngaba ukora ibhola ngesandla ne?
Sure.
They say you are cheating.
Yes.
If you ukora ibhola nge-offside, they say you are cheating.
Yes.
Even if I can score those goals by hand or by offside, uzawuhlala umfazi wami akazuhamba akahambi.
Yes.
So into endiyitshoyo wena sithini. Yabona iPirates this season.
Yes.
Iyayithatha ileague.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Yabona ngoku siku number 1.
Angeke nisayehla.
Hayi Sithibo.
Ngeke nisayehla.
Sithibo xa ngabe ujonga ne Sundowns ne game ezi2 nePhulwane City.
Yes.
Ngeke ezoyi2.
Yes.
And the Sundowns ne game neKaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
iKaizer Chiefs wena Sithibo ne ever since beba utoyitoya pha eNatural.
Yes.
I lose a game
5 straight.
Ba winner which means la nto yokuba bayotoyitoya pha ithemba ukuthi bazoyitya iSundowns. Once yaluza iSundowns thina yabona senzani.
Yeah.
Sibethi siyabulala Sithibo.
Anyakhila.
Sibethi siyabulala. Sithibo akentethe la manje sibonge no cameraman. Mfethu wenza umsebenzi omhle man. I so hope ukuthi uThixo akusikelele.
Is the best in the game.
Danke Sithibo. Danke Sithibo.
Ngiyangithola thank you timer. Uba igreen Raymond.